Class 9, Chapter 2 Polynomials, Exercise 2.4, question number 4 is factorize 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Here, we factorize this quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term method. Here, middle term is 5x. We first take the coefficient of x square and the last term and find the product. Here is last term is 6 and the coefficient of x square is also 6. The product of 6 and 6 is 36. Here the difference must be equal to 5 equals to middle term or the coefficient of x. Here we get 36 by multiplying 9 and 4. 9 fours are 36 and difference of 9 and 4 is 5. Here the product is 36 and difference is 5. So we take these two numbers 9 and 4 to split 5. So we write 6x square. We write 5x as 9x minus 4x. And minus 6 remains as it is. Now from first two terms 6x square plus 9x. Here we take 3x common, we get 2x plus 3, and from third and fourth term we take minus 2 as common, we get 2x plus 3. Now we take 2x plus 3 common, the another factor becomes 3x minus 2. So the factors of 6x square plus 5x minus 6 is 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. Now fourth part is 3x square minus x minus 4. This is the quadratic polynomial. We factorize the middle term minus x in such a way that the product of 3 and 4 is 12 and the difference must be equal to minus 1. Here if we take 4 and 3, 4 3s are 12, the product must be 12 here and the subtraction must be equal to 1. So we write 3x square as it is. In place of minus x, we write minus 4x plus 3x. Since we want minus x, so we take 4, the greater number, to be the negative one. And minus 4 remains same. Here, from first two terms, we take x to be the common and 3x minus 4 as it is. Here we take 1 as common. Now 3x minus 4 common and x plus 1 as it is. So the factors of 3x square minus x minus 4 is 3x minus 4 and x plus 1. Question number 5th, third part is factorize x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Here we name this polynomial as px. By trial method, if we put x equal to minus 1, then this expression becomes minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 13 minus 1 raised to the power 2, 32 minus 1 plus 20. Now minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 13 multiply minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is 1. So 13 ones are, so we write 13 here. Now 32 into minus 1 is minus 32 and plus 20 remains as it is. After solving, we get 0 means minus 1, x equal to minus 1 satisfies this polynomial, means x plus 1 is factor of this polynomial. So we divide this polynomial by x plus 1. Here x minus 1 satisfies the equation px is equals to 0. So x plus 1 is the factor of px. So we divide px by x plus 1. Now division becomes, we write x plus 1 here and px inside this division. Now if we want x cube, what should we multiply with x? X square. If we multiply x square with x, we get x cube. Now we multiply 1 with x square, we get x square, so we write x square here. Now we change the signs. This positive x cube becomes negative x cube. and this positive sign becomes negative. This x cube and this x cube remains cancelled, and 13 minus 1 is 12, so we write 12x square here. Now 32x and 20 remains as it is. Now we want 12x square. What should we multiply with x to get 12x square? 12x. So we write 12x here. If we multiply 12x with x, we get 12x square. And if we multiply 12x with 1, we get 12x. We change the sign from positive to negative, and here also this 12x square remains cancelled, and plus 32 minus 12 is 20x, and this plus 20 remains as it is. Now if we want 20x, what should we multiply with x? 20. So we write plus 20 here. If we multiply 20 by x, we get 20x, and if we multiply 1 by 20, we get plus 20. Now we change the signs from positive to negative, and from positive to negative both the numbers must be cancelled. Here the remainder is 0 and the quotient is x square plus 12x plus 20. We again factorize this quadratic polynomial now. So we know that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We write dividend as px, divisor as x plus 1, quotient as x square plus 12x plus 20, and remainder is 0, so we do not write remainder here. Now factorize this polynomial, quadratic polynomial, by splitting the middle term. First multiply 20 and the coefficient of x square, we get 20, and we know that by factorization of 20 we get 2 and 10. So here we split 12x as 2x and 10x. So this becomes x square plus 2x plus 10x plus 20. Now we take x to be the common from first two terms. So we write x here and x plus 2. And we take 10 common from third and fourth term. We get x plus 2. Now we take x plus 2 common from both the terms. Then the last factor becomes x plus 10. So we write x plus 10 as our last factor. So the factors of the px or the polynomial given in the question is x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 10. Now fourth part is py is equals to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. By trial method we put the value of y. Here we get p1 as zeros, means y equal to 1 satisfies this equation, py equal to 0. So y minus 1 is factor of py. So we divide this polynomial with y minus 1. Now division becomes y, we write y minus 1 here and py here. If we want 2y cube, then what should we multiply with y? 2y square. So we write 2y square here and 2y cube here. We change the sign. Here will be negative and here must be positive. We multiply minus 1 with 2y square. So it becomes minus 2y square. Now this remains cancelled, and plus 1 and plus 2 becomes plus 3. So we write 3y square, and minus 2y and minus 1 remains as it is. Now we want 3y square. So we multiply y with 3y to get 3y square. So we write 3y square as it is. Now minus 1 multiplied by 3y is minus 3y. Now we change the signs. We cancel first term. We get minus 2 plus 3 is plus y. So we write plus y minus 1. Now we want y and here is also y. So we multiply it by 1, we get y. And if you multiply minus 1 with 1, we get minus 1. After changing the signs, we get 0. So here the remainder is 0. The quotient is 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Now we know that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we write py is equals to y minus 1 multiply quotient. Remainder is 0. So we do not write 0 here. Now we factorize this quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term method. First we multiply the last term with the coefficient of y square, which is 2. So we multiply 2 with 1, we get 2. Now The factors of 2 are 2 and 1. So we write minus 3 as minus 2 minus 1. So here 2y square minus 2y minus 1y plus y 1. If we take 2y common from first two terms, we get y minus 1, and we take minus 1 common from third and fourth term, we get y minus 1. Now y minus 1 is taking common, we get 2y minus 1 as another factor. So the factors of the polynomial py is y minus 1, 2y minus 1 and y minus 1.